work, leisure, and productivity.
Jochiw thieth mapacho ka endi okwa mondo bed jomoriere e tijegi ka ijiwo mondo gibende gidonje orak mar tich gi piny owacho. Magi oyangi odiochieng' mar adek e romo mar UHC matimore kaunti ma Kericho ka bende idwaro mondo med tiego jochiw thieth mapacho ka endi. Jotelo kod jochiw thieth ne oyango andika e wi chenro mag jochiw thieth mapacho ka majiwo bero sekta no endo.
Yes, there are issues around contracts of staff, and then there are issues about...
Let's appreciate them one more time.
Having said that,
let us stop corruption. Let us not be selling drugs. Let us not even be segregating and, discriminating. People have lined up, you are coming to call number 5, and yet number 1 has sat for 1 hour.
You cannot be the doctor who comes and hangs your dust coat. And when patients are coming to queue, you are nowhere to be seen. And at the end of the day, you expect a reward. It doesn't happen. It will not happen as we move forward.
before we hire other people, can we ensure that these people whom the country invested in, we are able to deploy them, work with them, and then create space for us to be able to train other people.
Okay, kwa dala mar Kericho